Here's some guy secrets girls don't know about. 1. I had a girl tell me my haircut looked nice. I've kept that same haircut for 4 years since then. 2. Dudes can be friends for years and not know each other's real name. 3. Sometimes we use our pee streams to try and clean the poop off of toilet bowls. 4. We have an entire language around the head nod. 5. We never know when you like us. I'm 48 and looking back I messed up so much. 6. If you have a son, don't rush into his room and demand that he get up immediately to go do something. He definitely has a happy morning friend and would appreciate not needing to hide it from his mom. Just give him like 5 minutes. 7. If it looks like I'm ignoring you, I'm probably just so deep in thought that I forgot I actually exist. 8. We really have no control over what we do in your dreams. 9. The wide step. 10. We fear we are loved for our value and not for who we are. 11. When you explain or rant, my brain is telling me how to fix it, and yes, I'm listening, but this is how you fix that problem. 12.